Before you run the machine, you need to test all the components one by one. Okay, this button is for the condenser fan. We can hear the cooling fan working, and this is for group 2. And this is for the liquid supply celluloid valve. Yes, we can hear the sound. Yes, this is for oil return valve. Okay, and this is for the pump. So the pump is working, and this is for the reducer. Okay. Or we can press the contactor in the control box to check them one by one. We can also check them here. We need to check every single components before we run the machine. Okay. Again, there are the air cooling fans in the condenser, the ice cutter, the pump, the celluloid valve for liquid supply, and the celluloid valve for oil return. When the pump is working, it should have no noise, okay? And when the reducer is working, the ice cutter rotation should be like this, anti-clockwise, and it should be working with no noise. We need to confirm every single component is working correctly before we start the machine.